So guys, today I just feel like talking about something that I think people don't talk much on and is of serious concern. As a woman, we should not derive joy when other women are being cast down. I see some women that anytime they feel good about themselves is when the woman next to them is being cast down. I honestly think that someone should not be dragged down before you feel elevated. I don't think someone should be put to shame before you feel good. Maybe it's me, but I've noticed it. These days people say women supporting women, but I don't. They just say it with their mouth, but I don't see it in action. Women don't support women. You see another woman making an excuse for a man just so she can make her fellow woman look bad. When a woman is being judged, you rejoice over it. And then you come out and you say women supporting women. What are we actually supporting? What exactly are we supporting? What exactly is women supporting? When a woman is unhappy, you are happy. When something is wrong with her marriage or her home or her kids, you are happy. But when she is winning or celebrating, you are not happy. You are finding a way to drag her, to break her into pieces. What exactly are women supporting? What is this? What then is feminism? I don't know your definition of feminism, but for me, I think feminism is supporting a woman when she's happy and crying with her when she's crying. When she cries out for help, you give her a helping hand. But when she's celebrating, you celebrate with her. For me, that's what feminism should be. Not, a lot of things are happening in social media these days. You go on social media and you see women rejoicing over another woman's predicament. It hurts me, seriously. It hurt me so much because I'm a woman. I have female children. So I think as a woman we should do better. I think we need to do better. We need to purge away that attitude of I'm better than this woman. We need to grow to that level of giving each other a helping hand to lift each other up, actually. Like you lift your fellow woman up instead of dragging her down or being the reason why she's being dragged down or celebrating when she's being dragged down. So I think women should do better, really. Women should really do better. It's becoming too alarming, and I think that's why most men don't take women serious. Okay, so that's my own observation, and that's what I've been seeing going on lately. I don't know if it's just me, but if you think we should do better, if you think as a woman we should do better, or you think I'm not correct, please leave the comment section. Let me know that whether it's just me or it's what is really going on in society that needs to be talked about. Okay, all right, bye. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video and share it so that every other person will see it. Okay.